Let's dive into creating today. Now, have you ever thought, can there be more done with a photograph? Like, how about we make a tracing for artwork, or even better, a pumpkin? So I decided to open up my reference photo in Adobe Photoshop and ask it to remove the background. You're not always going to get it this clean. We're just really fortunate with this particular photo. Then I told it to duplicate the photo, and I'm going to convert it to a smart object so I can go over to the filter gallery and make the stencil even easier. There's a whole bunch of different ones to choose from. My favorite is under Stylize of the glowing edges. Now, you can see different muscle tones of how other ways you might want to carve, but I'm just taking that edge brightness all the way down to black to make it a nice silhouette image. Then send to the printer. All the medium pumpkins are going to start at 6x6. This one I made a little bit longer of starting at 8 inches just to make sure that tail went on around. But you can play around and adjust it to your preference. Now, if you don't have a printer and thinking I'm absolutely crazy having one, you can cut down either tracing paper or use regular paper, measure the pumpkin where you want the design, add those measurement markings to the paper, tape it to your computer screen, and then just use that magnifier in the program to fit within the area and trace it. Now, did you follow all that? If not, you can get more in-depth lessons, reference photos, and so much more by becoming a patron over on my Patreon channel. As always, we love that you are staying swimming along and appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to join over to Patreon and Discord for free and paid options. All the links can be found in the description below. Thanks for joining, and stay tuned for our next lesson to dive into.